Headset mics are convenient for voice calls, that is if they work. So get your voice back on Windows with this guide. So start the troubleshooting process by applying the following preliminary fixes, like disconnecting your headset once and reconnect it again. Connect it to a different port on your device to ensure that the port is not faulty, or if you use a wireless headset, ensure that the headset and receiver are free of interference. But if none of those fixed it, ensure that the microphone is not muted. So just download the Realtek Audio Control from the Microsoft Store if you don't have one, then open it, click on Headset Microphone on the recording devices, and make sure that the box beside Mute is not checked. Now if it is checked, uncheck it by clicking on it. Also, if the main volume is too low, increase it close to 100. Then another thing you can do is to select the right microphone and test it. And to find out which microphone you're using, open the Settings application, navigate to System, choose Sound, select the headset microphone, and click on it to open its settings. After that, test the microphone by clicking the Start Test option. Now if your microphone successfully records the sound, the headset is now configured correctly. So that's how to fix your headset or mic if it is not working on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.